Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to fix the error, "This site cannot be reached" in the Chrome browser. So let us get started. First of all, let me show you the problem. As you can see, if I reload this page, it keeps loading, but it is not working, and it shows the message, "This site cannot be reached." Now let me show you some methods to fix this problem. First, go to the search bar and type Control Panel. Open the Control Panel. Then go to Network and Internet. Click on Network and Sharing Center. After that, click on Change Adapter Settings. Now, right-click on Wi-Fi and go to Properties. Scroll down and check if Internet Protocol version 6 is checked. If it is checked, uncheck this option and then click on OK. Now go back and check whether the problem is fixed or not. If the problem is still not fixed, then go to Settings. In the search box, type Proxy and open the first result. If the proxy is enabled, turn off this option. Then check again if the problem is fixed. If it is still not fixed, go to the search bar and type Network Reset. Click on it, then click on Reset Now and confirm by clicking Yes. After that, restart your laptop. I hope these steps will fix your issue. So friends, if you found this video helpful, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching this video.